Hey folks, how you doing? Papa Joe here. Oh, I done got 3+ hours in under my belt. Sitting up here trying to make contact with a receiver. Oh, and ain't sure where I need to be for them. I've tried to make some videos, the last 3. My tablet's being stupid on me. I'd make the videos and then it'd freeze up and wouldn't let me do what I got to do to post it. Hopefully this time it'll work. And I'm waiting on a phone call, so don't be surprised if we're not interrupted. I made the video to my granddaughter about the challenge, the cooking challenge. I want to extend that challenge to everybody. I mean, you know, if you're got a hankering to try one of our recipes and you want to videotape it, by all means do. Change it up, make it yours. I had one individual that posted on my pork chops and was telling me how they do theirs. You don't have to be a kid and all that. I was just extending the challenge to the kids. We will probably do 2 different libraries, one that's for the youngins and one for adults, whoever might want to take the challenge. That being said, my son has informed me that I was a little bit wrong about how easy it'll be to transfer videos. So evidently that's going to be a little bit of a complication that he has to figure out. It ain't quite as easy as I thought. He said you cannot just email them, that videos are too big to email like that. So we will have to figure out another way of doing it. He's saying the easiest way will probably be if you have a YouTube channel already and you do it and put it on your YouTube channel, and then somehow he'll come over and transfer it and all that. You still have to do the disclaimer in the beginning of it. YouTube is real big on copyrights and all that stuff. So if you choose to take the challenge, you will have to do a disclaimer allowing me to put it up on YouTube and do the YouTube nonsense and all that stuff. So, and you can't blame them. I mean, how many millions of videos do they get put up every day? I imagine copyrights is a big issue with them. Other than that, I'm sitting here trying not to be aggravated, waiting to find out where this food bank is. I've got a donation for a food bank somewhere up here. Hey, y'all remember, God loves you and so do I. Y'all have a blessed day now. Bye.